With me again, trying to help you with fractions, now subtracting fractions in an easy way. Follow me at the end of this video, you will know how to subtract fractions in a simple way. Let's start with examples. Let's take 3 over 4 minus 1 over 3. That's 3/4 minus a third equals. So the way we do it is a long line here. Then denominator, we multiply them together. 4 and 3. 4 times 3. 4 times 3 goes here. Is 12. Then because we have minus sign here, we put minus sign here in the middle. Then what we do is two parts. First one is cross these two. 3 times 3 goes here, is 9. Then cross these two together. 4 and 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. Equals, then we go there. 12 is there. We subtract this here. 12 goes there. 9 minus 4 equals 5. This is the final answer. Another example. 4, let's say 4 over 3 minus half, 1 over 2. 4 over 3 minus 1 over 2 equals, long line as usual, we start with. Then we have this minus sign here. Denominator, as usual, we multiply them together. 3 times 2 goes here. 3 times 2 goes here, 6. Then the first part of this is we cross these together. 4 times 2, 4 times 2 goes here, 8. Then in here, what goes here? 1 times 3. 1 times 3 goes here, is 3. And equals 6. We work out together. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 equals 5. This is the final answer. Let's do one more example. 3 over 2 minus 2 over 5 equals, as usual. So now guess with me, what do you expect to go here? So guess it first before I say it. Okay, I'll tell you. 5 times 2 is 10. So the sign is minus because we have minus here. Guess with me what will go here before I say it. I will tell you. Is 3 times 5. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 5, 15. And guess what will go here before I say it. I will help you. Is 2 times 2 equals 4. Equals, and straightforward, 10 goes here. And 15 minus 4 goes here. 15 minus 4 is 11. And this is our final answer to this question. If you have any question or comment, or you need any help, welcome. Get back to me. Thank you.